SafeMoon holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the urgent alert warning news for all SafeMoon holders, my friends. Keep watching this video complete, and before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. My friend, in this video, if we talk about the latest update of the SafeMoon, so the situation is going wrong. And my friends, Today, my friends, the whole cryptocurrency's price is negative, but now at this time, my friends, now the price of the every token is positive, my friends, because now at this time the SafeMoon price start jumping. Cardano, etc., which these all changes to yesterday price fast down, but now today the situation is going good, my friends. And you can see here the SafeMoon price changes. You can see that the last 1 week changes occurred in the SafeMoon is negative, but now the currently situation of the SafeMoon is going good. So don't worry about my friends. Now the latest price of the SafeMoon is 0.000003 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the SafeMoon, my friends. And I hope everything will be okay. You have to just wait. You have to just patience, my friends. Just wait, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of the SafeMoon. Oh, you can see here negative 2.75%. The price of the SafeMoon is fast down. From the last 3 days, the price of the SafeMoon is going down. You can see here. But now today, my friends, on the 9th July, the price is open. The SafeMoon is going good. The situation is start jumping, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about the SafeMoon? Just share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video.